Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and since I last done a video we hit 150,000 views and also 450 subscribers, so that's really cool. Really love to get to 500 soon, so if you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button and that'd be great. You might be able to tell, but I love food and I also love technology. So this is a bit of a different video today because I found something that combines both. I had this on my radar for a while, and and the price dropped for Prime Day to $79.99. It's the Ninja air fryer. It's a 3.8 litre one, and you can see the box is quite big. It's sticking up on the desk. So I'm not going to waste too much time. I'm just going to get it open. Also trying something different today with two cameras set up. So we've got one overhead and a normal one on me. So I'm going to try switching between them, see how that goes. So if you enjoy that, let me know in the comments. So I've had like a halogen oven thing before, which wasn't amazing, but this is supposed to be a proper air fryer. So it's supposed to be quite good. So the idea is you make your stuff that you usually deep fry or shallow fry in oil a bit healthier by using less oil. Okay, so we got it out of one box and we've now got it in another box. Let's see if you can lift it up. So there it is. So I think they're usually about 120 pounds. They're usually about 120 pounds, but they've been on sale for a while at 100, and then for Prime Day they dropped a further 20 quid. So well, 80 pounds seems like a pretty reasonable price, especially when you compare it to other air fryers, and it has got pretty good reviews as well, which is nice. So we've got some instructions. Obviously we'll ignore that for now. Here's the actual fryer. So the actual fryer is fairly light compared to all the box and stuff. So the plug is built in, which I guess is good for a kitchen appliance, although I always like to have removable ones just in case they break. So it gives you a rough guide on here of how long it takes to cook stuff. 200 degrees for 22 minutes for chicken, 180 degrees for 20 minutes for chip, 10 to 20 minutes for steak by the looks of things. It looks like you can make cakes as well, and then it's got some fish as well, and then it's got a link to some recipes as well. So I'll leave that linked as well. So you can see it from the above view. So you pull out the tray. It's not massive, to be honest. So yeah, this is the tray. They say that you can fit about 900 grams of fries in here, with fries / chips. It doesn't look like it can hold that much though, but I'll have to see. And this just comes out, and this is washable, and I think it's dishwasher friendly as well, so that's handy. The only thing to do now really is to actually give it a go. I'm going to try it with some samosas because that's something that I love eating, but it's really bad for you because it's very deep fried. And I've never really found a better way to cook it other than deep frying. So if the air fryer can help me with that, that would be great. So yeah, so let's give it a go. Okay, so that's the samosas in. I'm going to set it for about 10 minutes, I think, just to try it out. And I will set the temperature at about 180, I think, just to, again, this is just to try it out, see what happens. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to take them out and have a look. Let's see once the camera focuses on it properly. You can see they've gone quite golden brown almost and quite crispy, so that's good. It's a good start, definitely. I'm going to turn them over and probably put them in for a bit longer. Okay, so that's the final product. So in the end I did it for about 15 minutes in total and changed them over about 10 minutes in. So the only thing now ready to do is actually try them and see how they are. So obviously I'm going to need some chili sauce, so let me go grab some of that. So this is the moment of truth. I've never recorded myself eating before, so bear with me if this looks a bit weird. But yeah, they taste as good as fried to me. You can see they're very hot, so and even the insides, which is good. Everything's crispy, and it tastes basically as good as fried. Obviously it's not as greasy, which is great, but all the flavour's there, and it's nice and crispy, so it definitely gets a thumbs up from me. Okay, so I've cooked with it now. The samosas came out pretty good. I enjoyed them. They basically taste the same as if you'd fried them. They're just not as greasy, which is really nice. They're still crispy, and everything came out golden brown, which is good. I made some chips in there as well, and it was a similar thing. They came out really crispy and very good, so I was pleased with that. Couple of things to note. That size that I got, the 3.8 litres, is not massive. So if you got maybe 2 or 3 people, you'd be okay, but anything more than that, you probably want something bigger, which does then get quite expensive, so that's the thing to look out for. And the only other thing, I showed you at the start that the tray comes out to put in the dishwasher. It gets very, very hot when it's cooking, obviously, and it takes a long time for it to cool down afterwards as well, so that's one thing to just be careful of, that you don't try and take it out too quickly and burn yourself. Otherwise, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'll leave a link down below. It's still on offer for a little bit. It's not quite as good of a deal that I got, but it's still cheaper than it normally is. But yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, let me know. I don't usually do food videos, but this product looked quite cool, so I thought I might as well. So if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. I'm going to try and do some more regular videos now, and hopefully we can push towards 500 subscribers, which would be great. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.